guys busy today? May plans kayo later?
Busy ba tayo?
Actually, we were just talking about the place. I think we'll go on a walk later. Kasi ang ganda dito sa Willie Mac Beach Resort.
Oh my gosh, you know what? Me and Wax are going island hopping mamaya. Baka you guys wanna join us?
Sure, why not?
Why not? Sure. Okay kami.
Sige, sabihin ko sa kanya ha.
Sige.
See you guys later.
Sige.
See you.
Kala ko di ka papayag eh.
Huh?
Oh.
Why not? Feeling ko naman it would be fun to join them. Are you excited?
Of course, we're excited.
Ikaw ba? Nag-enjoy ka din ba?
Yes, I enjoy. Ikaw ba?
Of course. Kasama kasi kita.
Ikaw din eh. Mamaya nga pala.
Bro, game later. Banana boat tayo.
Ha? Sige, game kami.
Ay, sige. Message namin kayo.
See you later.
You were saying something?
Something.
About mamaya, may plans ka ata?
Oo. Ay, gusto ko lang ulit pakasama kita eh. Kasama naman natin sila. Okay.
Okay.
Ay, salamat. Bukas na rin yung mga stress ko. Yung renewal na lang ni Tato yung isipin ko.
Natin. Siyempre, I'm with you.
Thank you. Inom ka para may energy ka.
Uy, guys.
Uy.
Reminder lang. Hiking later, ha? Me and Mary Lou are getting ready na.
Oo nga pala, no?
Last day na, guys. Tara na.
Sige.
Cool. See you later, guys.
Sige. May sasabihin pala ako sa'yo.
About?
Pwede bang pass muna tayo doon sa lakad natin mamaya?
Why?
Eh kasi, pagod na ako eh. Alam mo yun, nagbabangka tayo, nagbabanana boat, nag-hiking pa. Di ba dapat nag-relax tayo dito? Kaya ka tayo dito, nag-relax tayo. Ano hindi nakaka-relax yun?
Oh my God, what?
May mali ba ako nasabi?
No, I feel the same way.
Talaga? Ginagawa ko yun para sa'yo eh.
No, I was doing that because I thought you liked it.
Talaga? Parehas pala tayo.
Yes, I'm so glad you said it. Relax na lang tayo.
Napakalayo naman ito. Nakakapagod.
Okay lang yan.
Alam mo, dapat sumama na lang tayo kila Chito.
What do you think they're doing?